Welcome back to AWS DevOps Lokesh Tech YouTube channel. Last class we have seen about API groups at authentication and RBAC. So RBAC theory we have seen, and now we are going to do the practical. Kindly do share, subscribe my channel for better content. I'm trying my best for giving about all the DevOps courses, and kindly share and subscribe and do like for maybe relevant people can able to reach this with your likes only. Anyways, let's get into topic. That's not that much. I don't keep more concentrate on the low likes, shares, and all. That's not a big deal. So let's get into topic. Just we are going to discuss about RBAC. So let me share my screen. Um, Ishant, is that ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please share.
Shall I share the screen, sir?
Yes. Yashwant, actually, I think I hope from my side you are not able to hear any noise, right?
No, sir. No, sir.
But from your side,
My
if you
from my
share
side
your
is this.
screen, from your side, complete noise actually, complete. I don't know. Maybe you are using some earpods or something.
No, sir. Just on the fan. That's
Oh,
it.
maybe that is the reason. While I'm actually taking class, I'll put off everything because
Yeah, yeah.
we are into the public. We have to give our best. Okay. Anyways, oh, yeah, that's fine. So there are some categories for creating RBAC. We have to follow some steps. Okay. First of all,
Yes, sir.
we need namespace, right? We'll create one namespace first. Okay. Second one is we need
Yes,
to
sir.
create a service account. Create a service account that we will use to access the resources. Okay. And third one is create a role. Okay. And fourth one is create a role binding. These are all four steps are mandatory, and remaining steps like creating cluster role binding. Okay, these are all optional. Okay, let's
Yes, sir.
first create a namespace. You know how to create the namespace?
Using YAML file, sir.
Namespace. What is namespace?
Yes, sir. We have created using YAML file and also within imperative method directly.
So can you check once names kubectl ns kubectl get ns cube system default namespace is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us create a namespace. Okay, kubectl will
Yes,
create
sir.
namespace. Namespace maybe demo-ish, something like that. Keep like that. Demo hyphen s. Keep like that. YESH. Yes. Okay. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Enter. Check the namespace again. Where is that?
Created, sir. Second one.
Yeah. Fine. Okay. So kubectl name. I think now what we have to do is we have to create service account. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Kubectl create. I will share a command. Okay. I have shared a command. Kubectl create service account demo hyphen user hyphen n demo hyphen ish. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Use this command. Try. Any changes? 1 second. Kubectl create service account demo hyphen user. This is username.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hyphen n namespace. Hyphen n means namespace. Demo hyphen
Namespace.
ish. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
if you want to specifically, if you want to mention that namespaces, you have to give hyphen n demo hyphen ish. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
enter it. Okay, what is that? Service account to
Created
demo
service
hyphen
account.
user created. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so now let's create a role. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you can create a role. First of all, to create a role, you have a manifest file, sample manifest file. Just check once. API version RBAC dot authentication dot Kubernetes dot IO v1 and kind metadata and roles.
Did you send, sir?
1 second.
Okay, okay.
Hello. Anything urgent? Anything urgent? Chup, tell me. I'm in class. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm? Mm. I don't know anything yet. I'm in class. Just call me once after. How much time you'll get? How much time it will take? Okay. When will you start? When will you start? Okay. I'll call you after 20-30 minutes. Hello. Yashwant, I'm sorry. I got a call. Yeah. You got it right. I think. Can you please open that?
Sir, did you share any ML file? YAML file?
Yeah. You didn't receive?
No, sir.
Oh, 1 second. Why it is not copied? Mm, now check.
Yeah, I received now, sir.
Okay, API version 1. API version is called. What is API version 1? Version along with the version 1 RBAC dot authentication dot
RBAC dot authentication.
KTS
Yes,
dot
sir.
IO. Okay. Kind
Yes, sir.
role, metadata so and so, rules, API groups, resources, verbs. It makes a little confused rules. Okay, Yashwant, please try to do
Yeah.
concentration here because it will.
Yes, sir.
Uh, these rules may be complete different from others. Correct. So
Yes,
do
sir.
concentration here and try to remind all. See here. So API version also little changed. V1 is fine, but extra added RBAC
Yes, sir.
authentication Kubernetes.io. This got extra
Yes, sir.
added slash version 1. Okay, and kind is role. That's fine. Kind is common. Okay, which is object. Role is object, and metadata.
Yes, sir.
Metadata. What we are mentioning? The details. Namespace.
Namespaces. Name.
Change the namespace. Demo hyphen. Yes. Okay. Name.
Yes,
What
sir.
is the name? Name of the pod. Right.
Pod.
So
Role. Yes, sir.
pod hyphen reader something. Okay. So whatever, let it be. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Rule. What is the rules? See here. Here you have to focus. So rules
Yes, sir.
API groups. We are mentioning API groups. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Resources. What resources we are mentioning? Pods. Okay. For pods.
Yes, sir.
Verbs. What we are mentioning? Verbs. Get list. Right. So last class I have shown the resources and verbs. Right.
Yes, sir.
I will I will share you a screenshot. Okay, can you open that? See this, right? So
Yes, sir.
in version 1, these resources, whatever resources, okay, in this resource we have used these verbs. Verbs, what are the list? Get, create,
Get.
delete,
Create.
update, watch. These under comes
Yes, sir.
under these are all comes under verbs. Okay. So now so
Yes, sir.
we have mentioned what list, what we have mentioned, get the list. Okay.
Get and list. Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll just for example, for sample we will use this much only. So now after
Yes, sir.
kubectl apply -f role dot yml, I mean YAML.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Shall I create, sir?
Yes. You can keep name as a role, right? Kind we have mentioned role, right? You can use that name.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So Yashwant, the left side, it's unnecessary thing. Just remove this useless thing. That Yeah, make it bit little big one, bigger font. Yeah, I think your network issue. Yeah. So now you can create, you can write a manifest file using name called role.yml. Okay, enter, and you here try to, yeah, basically I recommend write everything to be right now instead of copying. But anyways, okay, we have to save time as well. Okay, paste here. So here cross check once and read once.
Yes, sir. API version is RBAC authorization .kts.io v1.
Hmm.
Kind is role and metadata namespaces. We have used our custom namespace demo finish.
Hmm.
Pod name is default custom name pod reader. Roles is if an API groups and verbs we have used get and list.
Okay, save this. Rules, actually we are creating rules. Rules, under
Yes, sir.
rules, API group, API groups, resources, verbs. Three. Okay. Three API groups we did not
Yes,
mention
sir.
anything. Just that is to default. And resources we mentioned pods. Okay. And verbs we mentioned get
Yes, sir.
to list to, we can able to mention delete also, these kind of things. Okay. So save it.
Yes, sir.
Save this. Okay. So now what, you know the command, right? Kubectl apply
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
hyphen f role, enter. Yes, created.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Pods role we have created.
Roles. What is the
Only
object name?
role
What is the object name?
object name is role only, sir.
Role only. Default namespace. You are in default namespace. We have to switch
Oh,
into
okay. Yes, sir.
your namespace, right?
Yes, sir.
How to switch the namespace?
For sometime we have used a minify something, sir. Last time.
Yeah, Ishwant, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So kubectl config something we mentioned. Minify, right? Try use that kubectl config minify and grep something namespace name.
Yes, sir.
So otherwise you can use kubectl config set hyphen context current
Yeah,
namespace
that
and
one also we have used, sir.
we can use those two. So that's why we have to switch like this. Otherwise you will forget. Kubectl config set hyphen context hyphen current namespace. What is that? Current namespace. That will take. Okay, no problem. Current hyphen namespace. What is the namespace? Enter. What is this? Current. Oh, space. Current hyphen. Current space.
Here, sir.
Hmm. Enter. Modified, right?
Yes, sir.
So don't forget this command. Okay. Kubectl
Yes,
config
sir.
set hyphen context hyphen current to current namespace. This current in the sense current default it will take, and it
Yeah.
will switch
Yes,
into
sir.
your new one. Okay, that's fine.
Yes, sir.
Now try. What is the role? Pod hyphen
Code reader.
reader.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's fine. It's working.
Yes, sir.
And now we have to create the role binding. Okay,
Yes, sir.
to create the role binding, so we have a manifest file. So what is this? API version 1. In this version 1, what we have to mention? RBAC authentication Kubernetes IO v1. Kind is role binding. Metadata read hyphen pods. Namespace, your namespace, current namespace you have to mention, which is yes. Okay, and
Yes, sir.
subject kind service account. Okay, what is the subject? Service account. Next name
Yes, sir.
demo user. Okay, namespace demo hyphen yes. Next role reference kind role, name pod reader, API group. Okay, this is little tricky and different. Okay, try to understand
Yes,
this.
sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
cross check and read again. API version is common. Kind we have mentioned role binding, that's fine. Metadata we mentioned. In metadata, name we have given of the kind, whatever object we have given, that name is read pods. That's fine.
Yes, sir.
Namespace demo hyphen h. This is also common. But here, if
Yes,
you
sir.
comes to here, subjects. In subjects kind, service account we are creating. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Name demo hyphen user. Namespace demo hyphen yes. Role reference
Yes, sir.
kind role name
Kind
pod
role,
reader.
pod reader, role details. Yes, sir.
Okay, try to use this.
Sir, what should be the manifest file name,
Binding.
sir? Role binding,
Hmm.
or binding only binding.
Role binding. Role hyphen binding. No need capital letters. Role hyphen binding you can give like this. Okay, don't use capital letters. Okay.
Yes,
Dot
sir.
YML. Paste here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Subjects and role reference. You just mind it. Okay. Subjects
Yes, sir.
what we
Yes,
are
sir.
mentioning kind name namespace.
Yes, sir.
So role reference kind name API group. API group I have
API.
explained, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So fine, you can save this. Create, apply. Okay. Check once. Role bindings. Yeah. 1 second. Okay. So now
Yes, sir.
1 second. So to use service account for access. Secret name kubectl get accounts demo user. Namespace you have to change, and this is the format.
Yeah.
Change here.
I'll give waiting sir 1 minute.
Hmm. Using RBAC. Okay. Secret name kubectl get service account demo hyphen user hyphen n demo hyphen namespace demo hyphen yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. JSON path, that's okay. Kubectl get secrets name demo yes. Okay. Okay, try to use this command.
This is a totally single command or two different
Total
commands,
same
sir?
command, both same.
Okay, sir.
Enter.
They showed no error, sir, but it did not give any output.
No, it's working fine. Once again.
Yeah.
So now we have to verify the permissions, right? So now it's working fine. You need to be more happy for that actually. Just check
Yes, sir,
once.
sir.
I sent one um, this actually kubectl auth get pods something, and namespace you need to change it as per our namespace. Go
Did you
to
send, sir?
yeah, I've sent. You didn't get it?
No, sir.
Mm, I sent in chat. Open this here.
Sir, why this command is used, sir? The secret's name.
So we have created, right, to give
Yes, sir.
access, service account access. This access actually you we have to use this account for the access, API
Yes, sir.
access. This is for API access, and the last one which I've shared, that is for verifying the permissions. Here what we have to
Yes,
do
sir.
is kubectl authentication. Can I get pods as system service account to demo hyphen yes,
Yes, sir.
demo hyphen yes, and middle also. Okay, copy this, paste here, enter. Yes, you got answer, right? Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is what actually roles. So whatever kubectl get pods systems so and so we have used, and it is applicable. Okay, successfully we have done.
Yes, sir.
So right next. So why exactly we have to use this role based access controls? So because we have to isolate from the different departments, isolating development, isolating testing and production environments, we have to use
Role-based
RBAC. Yeah.
authentication. Yes, sir.
So developers need to access development and testing environment, but it should not have direct access to production. To create,
Yes, sir.
first of all, we need to create separate namespace in the environment like dev, test to prod, three accounts in real time scenario. So we need to define the roles: dev role, test role, production role. So dev role, test role, production role, we have to give only read access. In production, if somebody should not keep any hands, right? If somebody keeps, the production environment will be disturbed. Okay, and bind them into specific users and groups, role bindings. Okay, so
Yes,
what,
sir.
how do we have to do? We have to do like this. I can share with you one more. We'll do one more exercise. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so I'll share with you. Sent you. Check once.
Did not get, sir, in WhatsApp or either in chat.
WhatsApp also check once. Didn't receive.
No, sir.
I don't know. Sometimes it's not getting. Okay, I'll send here only. Mm, check here.
Yes, sir. Two YAML file, I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
same YAML file
Yes,
to, yes, sir.
yes. So which means it will create role and role binding at a time. Correct, in
Yes,
same
sir.
file.
Namespace, shall I give a demo user, sir, user only, demo only, sir? Or should I add another namespace?
Uh, 1 second. I'll tell you. Um, namespaces, to create namespaces, we can use. Um, First, we will create three namespaces: devo, test, prod. Because I'm
Okay, okay,
trying
sir.
to give you information like this kind of process only will be there. Okay, so we'll
Yes,
follow
sir.
the same namespaces: devo, test, prod. Three namespaces will create. Kubectl will create dev namespace, enter. Next, kubectl will create test, and the other one is prod, prod, production environment, enter. Okay, so three namespaces, which means three different isolated environments. Okay, there is no any
Yes,
correlated
sir.
between devo, test, and production. Okay, yeah, you got
Yes, sir.
it. Yeah, fine. So now, yeah, you can create manifest file, write the manifest
I
file.
should switch into dev
Yes, yes, yes.
namespace, sir.
Hmm. So what is the command?
Yeah, cube config this one, sir.
Kubectl config set hyphen context hyphen current namespace hyphen namespace equal to dev. Yes, yes, right. So now
Yes, sir.
create role. You can use role.
Role already exists, I think, sir.
No, no, this is different namespace, right?
No, but root you have created, no, sir. Role is already
Okay, okay,
existing.
okay. Fine, fine. You can change role to one or two. Role hyphen dev dot. Okay, yeah, paste.
Yes, sir.
Created.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can save it. So what we have given here, open again. So role, API version, kind role, metadata, that's fine, common. Rules, in rules what we have given, API groups. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
resources,
Pod
pods and
services.
services we have mentioned. Verbs what we
Yes,
have
sir.
given, get to, list
Great.
to,
Great.
create to, delete to.
Great.
This.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next to API version, role, which means this
Same.
is for role binding, metadata.
Row binding.
Yeah.
Metadata. Yes, sir.
Name, role binding, that's okay. Namespace devo, subjects, kind user, name devo hyphen user. Okay, what is that name? Dev hyphen user is developer's name. Role reference,
Developers. Yes, sir.
kind role, dev role, that's fine. Yeah, you can save it. Group name, that is a group name. Yeah.
Shall I apply, sir?
Yes.
Yes, sir. The dev role is created.
Created, right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
role binding, check role bindings.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Created.
got it, right? So so applications running inside pods need to interact with the Kubernetes. Okay, so create specific account, minimal permissions. kubectl service account we have to create. What is our namespaces? Okay, try to use this. So change it as our requirement. Let me check once. Service account for application pods. This is once again kubectl create service account app hyphen service hyphen account hyphen n service
Namespace
account.
name, sir.
Yeah. Change it as our namespace, current namespace. Okay. Try. Paste. Right.
Service
Service
account
account
created, sir.
created.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So prod environment. So that is dev environment we are doing now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we need to create a role access for secrets.
Yes, sir. With the same command, sir, I've shared before.
Wait, not that. Let's check. We are using it manifest file here. Check.
Okay, okay, sir.
Not here, not here. Yeah. API version. No, not from. Just here. Check cross check once. Here, what we are doing. Kind role metadata namespace. This is dev. So this is secrets. This is for secrets only.
Yes, sir.
Rules. That is API group resources secrets. Okay. Verbs get. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
But instead of this, we are using this now, sir.
correct.
Instead of this command, we are using the command.
Mm.
Shall I create a secret YAML file, sir?
Mm. Mm. Create secret. Dot YAML. dev, save this and try. W2 apply.
Created, sir.
So next I have sent you for role binding for secret. Cross check here. What is the extra? Why we are giving this? We have created a role for secret, and that we are binding with
Yes, sir.
secrets. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Hyphen die. Binding. It is for binding, right?
Yes, sir. Shall I save, sir?
Yes. Hmm. Check once. Kubectl will get secrets.
Please, please not found. It's telling in dev space, dev namespace, it is not found, sir. Get- get-
Why? So it is created, right? Wait.
We have created a role, sir. In the
Role.
form role we
Okay.
have created. Yeah.
But binding also done, right? We have done binding also. One
Yes, sir.
second. Second binding.
Binding is role binding, sir. Role
Role binding,
binding.
right? Okay. Role and role binding we have created. Fine. For
Yes, sir.
secrets. Okay.
In roles, we have secret reader, sir.
Hmm.
Two roles are there: dev role, and secret reader.
Correct. Okay.
In role binding, two bindings are there, sir.
Correct. Okay. See, this is now just we have created, right? App secret reader icon binding.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. One second. So can you describe once kubectl describe role dev? So describe one by one. Role binding we have seen. Get roles also we have seen. Description check once.
Description of which one's a dev role, sir?
Hmm. Yes. So name dev role pods get list create delete. You see this verbs. Get to list
Yes,
create
sir.
delete. Whatever we have created, we got it. For services also
Yes, sir.
get to list create delete. So these verbs we have
Yes,
given.
sir.
correct? Only they can do this. Understood?
Yes, sir.
If you
Yeah,
delete,
yes, sir.
they can delete, they can create, they can list it, they can get it.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
For pods and services only.
Yes, pods and services we have given to them. So whom we
Yes, sir.
have given, we have mentioned so and so username also. Correct.
Yes,
For
sir.
that
Under
specific,
developer namespaces.
yes, for
Yeah.
specifically that user can able to do this task. Um,
Yes, sir.
so this much only we have created. So in the other namespaces we have given something list, get and
Yes,
list
sir.
we have given starting. Correct.
Yes, sir. Sir. In demo-ish namespace.
Yeah, correct. This dev role person, this dev role whoever name is there, dev hyphen role, this person can able to access these verbs. You understood?
Yes, sir.
So this is how we can able to restrict them. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So role binding also you can check once. Kubectl will describe role binding and name. What is that name? Name role binding. Yeah. Paste. See this name
Role
role
binding.
binding
This
labels. Okay.
this
That
user is
yeah. That is a
this
user.
user
If you
is
want to
binded.
subjects, what is the subjects kind? User name dev
And
user
user dev
names.
user.
Why namespace not
Okay,
showing?
this in subjects we have not added. I think
Mention
so. There.
namespace. I think so. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Namespace we did not mention in subjects.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mm, Open that role binding. We have seen role binding, no? Role hyphen dev.
Yes, sir. In role hyphen dev only it is there, sir. Both. There,
Namespace
we have not given name space. I think so.
and subjects.
Under subjects. Yes, sir.
Mm, okay, that's okay. No, okay.
Shall I
So
try
this
adding?
is very sample one. You will get it.
Yeah.
No problem. Try,
Yeah.
try. Not a big deal. Namespace. You can mention namespace. No. It's
Yes, sir.
dev. Save it. You have done modifications. You have to replace it.
Yes, sir. We can replace it. Replace.
Hyphen F.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So check now. Describe it. You got it now. Namespace.
Yes, sir.
So this is very sample one. So there are big manifest files will be there because a lot in organizations we have hundreds, thousands of users. Correct? Hundreds of
Yes, sir.
users. In that, maybe there are chances to confuse yourself. So if you do more practice continuously on RBAC, so you can easily identify it. Otherwise, you will get confused. Okay. Once after completion of rollback class, you may eh, there are a lot of chances to forget. Okay. Try to understand, refer always. Okay. These are all very sample one. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Just I have shown two only roles and bindings I have created, and we have simply described whether it is really applicable for that so and so XYZ user or not. That's what we have done. Okay. So but this is for one
Yes,
user. We have hundreds of
yes,
users, thousands of users. So at that time what we have
yes,
to
sir.
do? Okay. So multi-user. Okay. So if you do continuous
Yes, sir.
practice only, you can easily identify, otherwise you will get confusion, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's all about rollback role based access controls, and try to explain this to Yogesh tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sir.
Okay, Yashwant, do practice continuously. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. We'll see you in next class. Until then, take care. Bye bye.
Yes, sir. Thank you.